Hey guys, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Motorola Edge 60 Fusion after 7 months. The phone comes with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera. First of all, talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video and you also record 1080p 30, 60, 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video with EIS. Now I am recording 4K 30fps video. So let me know in the comment what you think about the smartphone video quality. Now talk about the daylight picture quality. The 50 megapixel main sensor you can take a good photo in a daylight. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are very good and the color correction are almost very close to natural, and I hope you guys get a very good idea about the picture quality. Now talk about the 13 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. The picture is not bad. Yeah, it's not as much as good as like a main camera, but it's decent. All the images have a good enough details and sharpness and color correction is almost natural, and this is night ultra wide picture quality. And if you have a good lighting condition, you also take a good ultra wide photo with this smartphone. Overall, the ultra wide picture quality are decent. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. You can take 1x, 2x and 3x portrait mode. Without telephoto lens, the smartphone take a very good portrait, and as you can see that we are taking a very good portrait with the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So what do you think about the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion portrait mode? Let me know in the comment. Now talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor take a good photo in a night. All the images have a good enough details and sharpness. Color correction also very good. And as you can see that we are taking a some good photo with the smartphone, and very soon this smartphone long time full review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So overall Motorola A60 Fusion camera quality are decent. Okay, that's all about our Motorola A60 Fusion camera review. What do you think about the smartphone camera quality experience? Let me know in the comment. And that's all about today's video, and if you guys find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.